Welcome to this Easy Tech Fixit and News channel. And we're going to talk a little bit about Google and its Google Play Store, which is interesting because what is happening on the Apple side is something we're looking at, with Fortnite. And now a lot of developers looking at the 30% take that Apple has on apps and in-app purchases. Of course, Fortnite got kicked out because they wanted to do their own in-app purchases without having to go through Apple, which is something that you can't. You're breaking the user agreement here. Now, Google had not really played a lot in there. Google would, take that 30% cut because they also take 30%. But they would still let you pretty much do a lot of in-app purchases without having to go to the Play Store. Well, that is maybe about to change. What's happening is Google is probably looking at what's happening at Apple, because they are going to do just that. Force developers of apps in the store to now drive the in-app purchases through the store all the time, meaning that 30% cut will now be taken off of in-app purchases. So this is interesting. Would they back off if Apple would lose its case? That's going to be something we're going to have to look at, because I think it's a very interesting debate here. And I think both sides do have their own, way of thinking. We'll see. And is 30% too much? These are very popular app stores now. So you could argue that 30% cut isn't that much, because they're giving you an opportunity to be seen. So we'll see what's going to happen with that in the next few weeks. Google is giving every developer kind of a year to kind of adapt to all of this. We'll see if it goes through, and of course we'll also be looking at what's happening on the Apple side. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.